For this lesson we will install OpenVAS. OpenVAS, Open Vulnerability Assessment Scanner, is an open-source framework consisting of several services and tools for vulnerability scanning and vulnerability management. Initially a fork of the Nessus project, OpenVAS has evolved into a standalone vulnerability scanner with its own database of tests. Before we begin the installation of OpenVAS, we need to update our Kali Linux. Type the following commands. This will update and upgrade our system. Select OK. Type sudo apt install OpenVAS. After the installation, it is important for you to copy this information and save it to a file. We will use this account to log in to OpenVAS. We will have the option to change the default password later. Check if the installation is OK. Type the command gvm check setup. As you can see, the installation is OK. Start the service, type sudo gvm start. Open your browser and type https://127.0.0.1:9392. Log in using the account we save. The next step. We will now change the password of our admin account. To change the password of the admin account, click the profile of the admin. Select My Settings and edit. You have now finished installing OpenVAS. Thank you for watching this lesson.